Many times the net speed in your smartphone is also reduced due to installed apps, which is a bit difficult to understand, because most of the users understand that when we open an app or website, only then is the data consumed. But it is wrong to think so. In today's era, most users are using 4G networks. But despite having 4G network many times, the internet speed in your smartphone is very slow. In such a situation, you are not able to do the necessary work through smartphone and you have to face a lot of trouble. In such a situation, we have brought a solution to your problem and are going to tell you such a trick, with which you will be able to enjoy your 4G network completely. As soon as you insert 4G SIM in mobile, the network setting is automatically set to this band. But sometimes you have to set your network manually. Otherwise the internet speed in your phone remains slow. For this, go to your phone settings and tap the network settings. Here choose 4G or LTE in your preferred network type. Now you will see a difference in the speed of your phone. Sometimes the speed of the net in your smartphone is reduced due to the installed apps, which is a bit difficult to understand, because most users understand that when we open an app or website, only then is the data consumed. But it is wrong to think so, because there are many such apps and smartphones that consume data in the background even when they are not open. To avoid this, you have to go into the data settings and check which apps are consuming more data in the background. The more files in your phone, the slower the speed. So cache should be kept clear from time to time. At least once a week you should keep cache clear in your phone. You can also take help of Cache Auto Cleaner in App Store. So, guys, I hope you like this video and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.